Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu ukusubscribe. Asingeneni endabeni zeMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ama-players weMamelodi Sundowns why bangayi e-Europe yabo. Even manje kunenkinga kaThapelo Maseko lo ufunwa i-team yase-Cyprus but iMamelodi Sundowns yayi-rejecta lo deal ithi incane yabo. Asingeneni kuyo bafethu, singayikhi phezulu singeneni kuyo deep yabo. Mamelodi Sundowns is the richest team eSouth Africa in terms of imali ye-owner. Obviously uPatrice Motsepe unemali more than bonke abantu abamnyama base-South Africa yabo. So year in and year out badominator ku-PSL 8 leagues in the row yabo. So kuyo yonke le success yabo, but umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi why bangathengisa ama-player wabo to European teams, or why ama-player wabo anga-move to e-Europe. UTeboho Mokoena bafethu attract i-serious interest from ama-European teams, hayi team eyodwa but ama-teams amaningi yabo. Khuliso Mudau same thing naye, ama-stars wabo ashayine kakhulu like laphana ku-AFCON. They were heavy linked to ama-European clubs, but-ke basasela e-South Africa abakahambi yabo. Esinye istar-ke manje lesu engikhulume ngaso bafethu uThapelo, same thing, ama-moves overseas despite-ke i-lack of i-game time abafuni ukumreleasa uMaseko yabo. Asiyiblame iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu, asiyiblame at all. I think nayo into kumele siyichaze kangcono before silahla iside. iMamelodi Sundowns inika abafana ama-contracts, ama-life changing contracts eSouth Africa, ama-long term contracts esikhathi esiningi. Bathenga ngey'mali ey'nkulu. Lese if bamthengele say uMaseko nge-20 million, if i-team izofika ithi offer 4 million, ayenzi i-business sense leyo nto leyo. They rather keep him, bangamlose yabo. They rather loan him ke. Bayabona ukuthi ama-team ayabaxhaphaza or afuna ukudlala ngabo yabo. Same thing lese nabo Mokoena, ama-teams like maweza kuma-teams wase-Africa bona ngathi abafana ba-cheap. Let's say for example bathi kuMokoena bane-10 million nje kuphela, kanti abazi ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns yamsana nga-more than 10 million kuSuperSport United, because iMamelodi Sundowns iyayikhipha ngempela imali ukuthi isayine ama-player yabo. Ubheke uthola ukuthi une-contract ka-5 years. iMamelodi Sundowns ine-power. It means ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ina-full control over ama-player ukuthi bayahamba bayahlala or kwenzakalani yabo. And isikhathi esiningi bafuna ukubuilda isquad esi-deep esikhulu yabo. Uthola ukuthi ku-position eyodwa banama-3 to 4 quality players per position yabo, ukuthi competition ibe strong. Aba-sacrifice ama-talent wabo isikhathi esiningi like ukuthi ama-player vele ahambe early or easy. Bheka nje aboMokoena Mudau labo bengibamentionile bafethu, after AFCON ba-attracte i-interest ngempela, but ayikho into eyenzakele. Why? Because if you're gonna negotiate neMamelodi Sundowns uzo-negotiate serious and bafuna imali serious, or they just don't wanna sell their players. And bane-right ukuthi bangafuni ukuthengisa ama-player wabo cause they are not a selling team. Bona babuilda i-structure ne-foundation e-strong for iMamelodi Sundowns yabo. Asibeni honest bafethu, njengoba besishilo, they're not a selling club at all, and they don't need to sell their players. Sikhumbule ukuthi ba-backed by i-billionaire owner, i-billionaire Patrice Motsepe. So noma ungamzela ne-60 million sometimes makangafuni ukuthengisa iplayer, akafuni ukulithengisa because uzobulala i-team yakhe yabo. So akusi ilo to sell players, like ukuthengisa ama-player akusi part of a business model yabo at all. Bona basayina ama-player yabo. So for example mawubheka iStellenbosch siranwa abantu abanemali, but they are a selling team. Bona i-business model yabo ukuthi ba-produce ama-player bawathengise baletha amanye yabo, kanjalo ukuthi benze profit. iMamelodi Sundowns, they don't really care about mhlampe ilo i-offer ya 20 million or 30 million. They don't care at all. Ama-player wabo vele are-expensive and are too expensive for i-market. Khona osebenza ku-management yamaMamelodi Sundowns okwakhuluma wathi iMamelodi Sundowns what they have done, ba-make sure ukuthi ama-player are well taken care of, bahola imali bigger than average yaku-PSL, ukuthi ama-player abe more comfortable, ukuthi abe sharp. NoPatrice Motsepe ukhuluma nje ngokuthi uhlezi akhuluma ngokuthi financially imali ibalulekile ebholeni, ukusiza ama-player to make sure ukuthi ba-comfortable even after ibhola yabo. So kuMamelodi Sundowns bayakwazi ngempela ukuphilisa ama-player comfortable, and then bawathenge expensive, bawaphilise impilo e-right. Kunama-bonuses a-right nama-structure right, so banama-contracts a-big lama-player lawo yabo. So So at some point they would rather keep their stars ebhentshini kunokuthi babathengise at loss, yabo. I-harsh reality maybe ibuhlungu. So kuMamelodi Sundowns they would rather keep you ebhentshini kunokuthi bakuthengisele. For example, asithi bathengise into eyenzakalayo manje uThapelo Maseko. Lese bamthenge nge-20 million ku-SuperSport United, yabo, and oyi-young star lo muntu lo mncane bafuthi asemncane kakhulu. Siyazi ukuthi ushayinile kulona ku-AFCON, maybe naye wa-attract i-interest eserious, but ukuthi bona bavele bamthengise nge-10 million akusi business sense right, yabo, ngoba bayidinga leyo 10 million. I-situation yakhe nje iyasibonisa ukuthi kwenzakalani, maybe i-business model yabi ikanjani, yabo. Bamsayine laphana I think 2023 if angenza iphutha, i-game time bekayithola, bekadlala ngempela, bamselecta nakuBafana Bafana, but-ke waba ku-injury, game time yakhe seyehle kakhulu, yabo. But-ke isikhathi esiningi nje uba kumasapu, sometimes akekho nakumasapu, akabonakali at all. Bamshile njengoba bayalena ku-FIFA Club World Cup, usho ukuthi i-future yakhe ngathi ishake kuMamelodi Sundowns, but guess what, njengoba kubona angadlali nokudlala, bangamselekthanga nasesquadini saku-World Cup, but still they won't sell him cheap. Ngeke bavele bamhambise because bona bafuna ukuba nesquad esi-powerful ebhentshini, even nakuma-stands, ukuthi because badlala amagame amaningi kakhulu ngesizini, yabo. Even noma angadlali regularly kuMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke bayazama ukuprotecta imali yabo ne-control yabo over ama-player, because ama-player lawa noma kuthiwa awudlali but une-big contract, usahola imali eserious, so they don't feel the need yokuthi bakuhambise nje baphenike, yabo. It's not about i-Sundowns futhi, lento le affecta ibhola as a whole, like umuntu orun ibhizinisi. If mina I'm not running at the expense of a profit, like amanye ama-team kumele athengise ama-player ukuthi akwazi ukusurvive, aphile, aphefumule kangcono, yabo. But iMamelodi Sundowns ayikudingi konke lokuthi ithengise ama-player ukuthi iphile, because bane-strong financial muscle which is uPatrice Motsepe, yabo. Even if amanye ama-top players wakhona our movie, they don't care that much, but iplayer maliza kuMamelodi Sundowns kumele lazi ukuthi i-competition i-tight, nanokuthi it's gonna be difficult for them to leave, because bakusayine ngemali enkulu eserious, bazokuhambisa bona mase sebangasakufuni, hayi ukuthi they will feel pressured ukuthi bakuhambise because kuzi-European team, yabo. Sundowns uwina ama-trophy, effect like ukuthi every season uyazi ukuthi uzowina i-trophy or more, yabo. But-ke sometimes ama-player sacrifice, ibona ama-player sacrifice amalokhu njani ama-careers wabo, ukuthi uyazi ukuthi uya ku-Sundowns, it's highly competitive, awukho sure, awukho guaranteed ukuthi uzodlala laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, yabo, because maningi ama-regular, khona ama-superstars kuMamelodi Sundowns angadlali. But-ke yeah man, I like i-business model yabo. They have to protect their players, noma I think singayigxeka siyiblame esithini, but at the end of the day basayina lama-player lawa ngey'mali ezi-serious, yabo. What is the solution maybe going forward for iMamelodi Sundowns nama-player? I think iMamelodi Sundowns for mina kumele ikwazi ukubhalansa e-business model yabo nokuthi bakhulise ama-player. uThapelo, isitori sakaThapelo Maseko sibuhlungu because akasabonakali njengomuntu ozodlala kuMamelodi Sundowns, but still ngeke bavele bamdedele nje simple, yabo. Uyi-youngster lo muntu one-potential ukuthi aye boma-Belgium, let's say naye Austria or la eCyprus, like uzokhula, I understand kancane kancane. kuMamelodi Sundowns udlala ney'ngwenya kakhulu, kunzima-ke for yena. I think kumele bazame ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ba-create ama-solution for lama-player lawa amanye wabo angadlali, yabo, bakwazi ukumloan umfana as much as bethola bamthenge ngemali eningi, but babone ukuthi okay asamdingi that much. Ayikho i-team ezothenga ulona uMaseko nge-20 million bafowethu. Sekaluze i-confidence, sekaluze i-game time eningi, i-fitness level yakhe, i-match fitness level ayisafani, because sokunesikhathi agcina ukudlala like competitive ukuthi simbone week in and week out, yabo. Akasafani, yabona, if like bebafuna let's say 30 million after AFCON, after ama-performance, after nale football competition in Africa Football League, after la competition, because wawina I think a play of the tournament or so, if lapho bafuna leyo mali it was reasonable, but-ke manje i-market yakhe seyidrophe kakhulu, maybe they felt the need ukuthi let's keep the player because they're not giving us enough money, but the player alidlali, but at the end of the day banama-rights, banama-rights ukuthi bagcine bakuhlalise ebhentshini. I-team once wasayina i-contract nabo, noma ngakuhlalisa 10 years ebhentshini or 3 years, bayakubhadala at the end of the day, yabo. Asiyivalile iMamelodi Sundowns, quality players will keep joining Mamelodi Sundowns, but uma ujoin Mamelodi Sundowns uyazi ukuthi ukhompyutha nama-player awu-3 or awu-4 kuposition yakho yabo. Nginokwenza example nge-left back eMamelodi Sundowns banoModiba, uLunga, banoMashiru, banoThiwani, manje bebafuna uBasadien. Lokho kuchaza ukuthini? If uzoziphosela lapho neziplay mabangafuni ukuthengisa bafuna ukuthengisa because bakuthenga ngemali serious yabo. Ama-player kumele acabange ukuthi afunani, abheke i-future as much as imali i-important, ibaluleke kakhulu imali. Nami iMamelodi Sundowns lese ngiyiplayer ngiziholela 20,000 izi iMamelodi Sundowns ithi izonginika lese 200,000 ngiyayithatha noma kuthiwa ngizohlala ebhentshini because ami ngizobona phambili. But ama soku-Sundowns uthola ukuthi enye i-team seyiyakufuna ifuna ukukunika more game time, so ufuna ukulwa ne-Sundowns, you sign the contract baba yabo. So ivala laba mfowethu, sithi danko, ungakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe.